Chapter 14. Animals, Food and Feeding Habits. Let's learn food, kinds of animals, feeding habits. Just as we need food to stay alive, animals also need food. They need food to get energy to grow and to keep themselves healthy. Let us learn about the food and feeding habits of different animals. Food. Animals eat different kinds of food. On the basis of food animals eat, they can be divided into 4 groups: herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, and scavengers. Herbivores. Animals that eat only plants are called herbivores. They are also called plant eaters. Cows, horses, goats, sheep, zebras, and elephants are examples of herbivores. Carnivores. Animals that eat the flesh of other animals are called carnivores. They are also called meat eaters. Lions, tigers, crocodiles, wolves, and snakes are examples of carnivores. Omnivores. Animals that eat both plants and flesh of other animals are called omnivores. Bears, cats, crows, squirrels, and sparrows are examples of omnivores. Info Hive. Humans are omnivores. They eat fruits, vegetables, milk, eggs, and meat. Scavengers. Animals that eat the flesh of dead animals are called scavengers. Scavengers keep the environment clean. They are nature's friends. Vultures, kites, and hyenas are examples of scavengers. Feeding habits. Different animals eat different kinds of food. The shapes of their mouth, jaws, and teeth depend on the kinds of food they eat. Let us learn about the feeding habits of some animals. Herbivores such as cows, buffaloes, horses, and giraffes have flat and broad teeth to bite off leaves and grass. They have strong back teeth to chew the food well. Cows, buffaloes, and sheep first swallow their food without chewing it. After some time, they bring it back to their mouths. Then they chew it for hours. This is called chewing the cud. These animals are also called ruminants. Info Hive. Animals that mostly eat only wood are called xylophages. Carnivores such as lions, tigers, foxes, and leopards have very sharp pointed front teeth to tear the flesh. They also have strong grinding teeth at the back of their mouth to crack bones. Some animals like crocodiles and snakes do not use their teeth to bite or chew the food. They use their teeth to hold the food and swallow it as a whole. These animals can open their mouths very wide. Insects like bees, butterflies, and mosquitoes have a long and thin sucking tube. They suck the food into their mouth with the help of this tube. The needle-like sucking tube of a mosquito is called proboscis. Dogs and cats use their tongue to lap up water or milk. Cats have paws that help them to chase mice softly and silently. Frogs have long, sticky tongues. When a frog spots an insect, it flings out its tongue and catches the insect from a distance. Giraffes have very long necks. Long necks help them to reach the branches of tall trees from which they eat leaves. Elephants have long trunks. The trunks help them to break off leafy branches and leaves and push them into their mouths. Elephants also use their trunks to suck up water. Recap. Animals that eat only plants are called herbivores. Animals that eat the flesh of other animals are called carnivores. Animals that eat both plants and flesh of other animals are called omnivores. Animals that eat the flesh of dead animals are called scavengers.